Which famous musicians do you all admire?
He should be a good person, a good individual at first.
How do you feel the impact of the internet?
Even if we just hear that there's a pacified meeting now, ती एक वेगळीच एनर्जी येते. एव्हरीवन आर कम्प्लिटली फिल्ड अप विथ एनर्जी. लाईक जे असेल ते बाजूला टाकतात अँड देन दे जस्ट कम इन द फ्रंट ऑफ लॅपटॉप अँड सेट.
And also one thing is like जेवढे जसे फाईट्स होतील तेवढेच तुम्ही जवळ येत जातील आणि आय थिंक ॲज अ ग्रुप तुम्ही पुढे जात जातील.
Yes,
बरोबर.
yes.
Agreed.
Okay, so my next question to you all is, what is the best advice you have been given?
Okay, so I'll again go with this one.
Okay, Rohit.
There were many advices like starting la we had many advised us that why all just playing the keyboard, go for different instruments. Then later on we were advised improvise on your vocals, on your videography, on your cinematography, everything. But then the best advice that we all got was not by a living person but by a saint, and which we all quote every day in our life, and that was by a quote by Saint Augustine, and which is, our hearts are restless for you, our hearts are restless, our hearts are meant for you a lot, and they are restless until they rest in you. And this is a quote which we all use and remember each and every day of our life. We even relate it to our tagline, which is we are the peacemakers, because we think of spreading peace through music. We thank God for giving us these talents, through the talents that He has given us. So even by the songs we play, we praise God, we thank Him for all that He has given us. And this is what we want to tell others, and this is what we are extending to others, that thank God for all the talents that you have, and explore the talents that you have and use it for God's glory. So yes.
Okay, so this, I think so it also is the best advice I think you have got till now. And just one more question, like what will be your message to the people who are watching this video and also your fans and followers?
We don't quote anyone as a friend, like as a fan or a follower, but we quote them as a well-wisher and the one who always supports us. So yeah, people always support us, and like our parents, our friends, and everyone. Like whenever we go, like they always say, "Yeah, new like nice video and nice stuff." So त्याद्वारे आम्हाला एक अशी मोटिवेशन भेटत असते, इन्स्पिरेशन भेटत असते की येस, दॅट्स द रिझन वी आर गोइंग फॉरवर्ड. आणि इवन in tough times, like if we call God, God inspires us through His teachings. So like different things असतात ज्याद्वारे like आपण build होत असतो. So I would like to thank everyone, each and everyone who has always been for who मतलब सगळे आहेत आणि त्यांच्यासाठीच आम्ही प्ले करत असतो. तर जर तुम्ही नसाल तर आम्ही कोणासाठी प्ले करणार. तो एक हेच आहे की असंच सपोर्ट करत राहा आणि असंच विश करत राहा. We'll be improving in our genres, we'll be improving in our quality, and yeah, the journey goes on.
Nice that your messages I think is loud and clear, and you I think don't consider anyone as a fan or follower, you consider as a well-wisher.
So my next question is like, what's next? You are going like making YouTube videos, but do you have any plans for the future? Like when you like grow up or like go into the music, and like, are you planning to make a band as a daily income? Like,
Okay, so first of all, आम्ही ॲज अ म्युझिशियन आताच फॉर्म व्हायला चालू केल्यात. सो आधी मेन्शन केल्याप्रमाणे आम्ही आताच ड्रम्स घेतलेले आहेत, आताच इलेक्ट्रिक गिटार, बेस घेतलेला आहे आणि रोयल क्रेजॉन किंवा कीबोर्ड घेतलेला आहे. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ॲज अ म्युझिशियन आम्हाला चांगल्या प्रकारे फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल एक चांगलं एक म्युझिशियन व्हायचं आहे. ग्रोईंग इन स्किल्स, ग्रोईंग इन डिफरंट, लर्निंग न्यू थिंग्स, लर्निंग दिस थिंग्स. सो ॲज अ म्युझिशियन आम्हाला फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वाढायचं आहे, बिकॉज दॅट कंट्रीब्युट्स टू अ बँड. अँड अदर थिंग इज गुड कोलॅबोरेशन्स. सो लास्ट टाइम जसं आम्ही चट्टानला केलं, तशाच प्रकारे एक इन्स्पिरेशन भेटले की दिस वर्क्स अँड इट गोज वेल. सो आम्ही 2 कोलॅबोरेशन केलेले आणि चांगल्या प्रकारे जातात बिकॉज रिस्पॉन्स देखील चांगला येतो आणि आम्हाला नवीन समोरच्या व्यक्तींकडून नवीन शिकायला देखील भेटत असतो. सो ही लर्निंग प्रोसेस आहे. सो वी आर लर्निंग अँड गुड कोलॅबोरेशन्स. सो सो ते एक आहे. अँड ॲज अ टीम आम्ही जसं मेन्शन केलं की ॲज अ म्युझिशियन्स आम्हाला जास्त वाढायचं. सो वी आर आमचं प्लॅनिंग स्ट्रक्चर असं असते की आम्ही आफ्टर सॉन्ग इज रिलीज्ड आम्ही थोडा वेळाकरता ब्रेक घेत असतो आणि चांगल्या प्रकारे आफ्टर सम टाइम आम्ही चांगल्या प्रकारे एक नवीन सॉन्ग आलं किंवा नवीन आता रिसेंटली आम्ही नवीन एक ट्रान्सलेशन एक सॉन्गचं ट्रान्सलेशन केलेलं आहे. सो ती पुढे आम्ही जाऊन ती व्हिडिओ रिलीज करणार आहेत, त्याच्यावर काम करणार आहेत. सो नवीन तुम्हाला सॉंग्स इंग्लिशमध्ये असतील ती मराठीमध्ये किंवा इंग्लिशमध्ये असतील ते हिंदीमध्ये अशा प्रकारे भेटणार आहेत. सो बी इन टच विथ इट अँड तुम्हाला आणखी सेम सेम म्युझिक नाही भेटणार, डिफरंट म्युझिक भेटणार, डिफरंट जॉनर भेटणार, डिफरंट स्टाईल भेटणार. सो वी आर ट्राईंग टू डू आवर बेस्ट समथिंग न्यू. सो आमचा एक बँडचा एक अप्रोचच असते की आधी जे केलं त्याच्यापेक्षा थोडं काहीतरी डिफरंट करायचं, जेणेकरून आम्ही देखील वाढतील आणि समोरच्या व्यक्तीला देखील जो ऐकतो त्याला देखील चांगल्या प्रकारे ऐकायला मजा येईल. सो दॅट्स अप्रोच.
Okay, there's one thing I liked about you all, like you want to keep on learning, and I think that's one thing what we want, or everyone is like you have to keep on learning in your life till the end of your life. Okay, one more question related to is like what's your plan for making original music? Like one music I think you have made for the Christmas, right? So what's your plan?
Yes, 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 yes.
कसं म्हणजे अजून बनवायचे plans आहेत?
Answering this question, I feel ki original is something na ki it is something that comes. So comes from within. की प्रत्येकांना एक आयडिया येते आणि we sit and we come together. So सगळ्यांना ती स्टोरी माहिती नसेल की how we came up with our first original. So असा आमचा प्लॅन देखील नव्हता. And we had met for jamming आणि आम्ही डिसाईड केलेलं की क्रिसमसची कोणते तरी आपण सॉंग्स घेऊ आणि ते मॅशअप करूया, ते जॅमिंग करूया. बट वी नेव्हर न्यू की वी सेड की टाइम आमच्याकडे आहे आणि काय सुचत तर नाही. सो लेट्स राईट अ न्यू सॉन्ग. आणि आम्ही त्या इव्हनिंगला तिथे बसलेले वी स्टार्टेड रायटिंग अ न्यू सॉन्ग. आणि इट वेंट सो वेल. आम्ही म्युझिक डेव्हलप केली आणि चांगल्या प्रकारे इट गॉट इन टू न्यू ओरिजिनल आणि स्पॉटीफायवर ते लवकरच येत आहे गाणं. सो in short, what I want to say is that for originals, I think we need to meet together. तेव्हा एकत्र येतात तेव्हा कलेक्टिव्ह एक डिसिजन येते आणि कलेक्टिव्ह आयडिया चांगल्या प्रकारे येते. Then we get to develop good lyrics, good concepts. So we are open to everything. So be it covers, be it translations, be it originals, we are open to everything. And as we get good ideas, as we get good lyrics, good themes, good topics to present, I mean, kids will come up with the best. So yeah, that's done.
ओके, सो चांगलं एक आहे आणि आय थिंक अजून एक जागा ओपन झाली आहे सॉन्ग रायटर्ससाठी. सो एनीवन वुड लाईक टू जॉईन द टीम, रिक्रुटमेंट सुरू आहे. या टाइम
Yes, yes.
इंटरव्ह्यू प्रिन्स दिले. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Next question: who is your biggest support system when it comes to making gospel music? हा क्वेश्चन आपल्या तुमचे वेल विशर्स आहेत त्यांच्याकडून आलेला आहे.
Okay, so to our well wishes, the biggest support system till date, and we know that he's always going to remain, is our Jesus Christ, and always having his back in all the projects, and he starting with prayer and everything. And there have been instances ki आमचं shoot चालू होतं and we were running late and we had time limits to end because it was also a live jam session. So we had to end it on time. So तेव्हा light गेलेली and then we just prayed to God, and that very moment in 5-10 minutes the full day light गेलेली आणि then 5-10 minutes the light was back, and we saw that Christ is always there behind us and in everything. आमचा setup last minute ला कधी कधी change केलाय परमेश्वराने. He has always been there. So he's the biggest support system for gospel in any project. And getting back to the people, it's our parents always there to support us, giving us equipments, always pouring in all the instruments, all the money into us. And also our houses, like everyone has opened up their houses, like, okay, this time with Ruel or Benedict or my house or anyone's for that matter is always open for everything. I mean, also a community of the Good Shepherd and CYP has always given us a platform to start things up, and also the leaders there have always pushed us to stand out from the different bands and just pursue gospel music and praising him through our talents. And at the end, it's always the well wishers who are a bigger support system. We don't like being praised for our talents more than the praise we when our well wishers comment down that this song really blessed our lives is the best feeling in the whole world, that we are spreading Christ. And this recent cover, we got so many comments, and then we were just speaking it out that this has really made an impact. आणि ते झाल्यामुळे that has also supported us to keep on doing this thing, and that there's a lot of scope for also gospel music and to bands to only lead through gospel music. So that has been a very, all these have been a very support system for our gospel music.
Okay, that's great. Like, I'll tell them like do subscribe to your channel, and also would like to see your Instagram page to see the daily updates for the next videos. Okay, one like next question is like, how was the group formed and who were the pioneers? This is one more from your well wisher, but I think you have answered how was the group formed. But the one question, who took the lead to start the band from you all? Who was that one person who like, I want like we should start a band?
So, I would like to answer this question. So, Ruel is the one who approached Princely and Benedict at the first about the Million Dreams song. He took the lead and presented his idea to Princely, as Princely was the one who was into music mastering and mixing, and also Benedict as he was into editing videos, cinematography. So I would say Princely, Ruel, and Benedict collectively came up with this idea of group. So yeah.
Okay, so I think Ruel, Princely, Benedict, I think you have started something, what you can say, a legacy, you can say. You have started, I think, I wish you all like it should go ahead more. So my next question, what is one thing that keeps you together other than music? Music सोडून तुम्हाला अजून काय म्हणजे तुम्ही एकत्र येऊ?
Interesting question.
So yeah, I'll give you a brief idea about how do we go about this. So other than music, talking about the main thing that where we meet and where we have fellowship is our community and our CYP and our cell meetings. So it's like in a week, minimum 3 to 4 times we all meet together, and it is for the glory of God. And after the meetings finish, we just wait here to chill, and then we don't know how time passes by. Sometimes it just 2 hours, 3 hours just go by, and then parents come into a room for calling us for lunch, dinner. So that is what has kept us bonding. Also, currently we can't meet, but then when we meet offline, it's that in a week, at least once or twice, we go out to. It's not to eat, but the main purpose is to go out there and have fellowship, create bonding in us, and also we go on picnics when we have vacation. So yeah, there's a good amount of bonding, not only in music but then in all things. We have some inside jokes, एकमेकांची खिचतात पण, but then the same amount of brotherhood when anyone is in need. सर्वात धावून येणारे देखील, these are the brothers who run first. So we have that amount of bonding. So yeah.
Okay, so that's one good thing, like you come together and try to meet as much as possible. And I think you should keep on meeting such, even on Zoom, we should keep on meeting. And खायला पाहिजे तर झोमॅटोन सगळे मागू शकतात एक दिवशी, जे एकच डिश मागू शकतात आणि झूमवर भेटून खाऊ शकतात. Okay, so my next question, I think this is the last question from your well wisher. how do you go about arranging music?
Okay, I will answer that. First of all, it is a creative process. कारण की तुम्ही जर someone who is arranging music and who is mixing and mastering, त्यांना काहीतरी नवीन each time when you create music काहीतरी त्यांना नवीन ideas आल्या पाहिजे. So it's a creative process. So first of all, I will start with ideas. So तुम्हाला कुठल्या genre मध्ये म्युझिक करायचं आहे, तुम्हाला कुठल्या स्टाईल मध्ये म्युझिक करायचं आहे, तुम्हाला कुठली स्पीड ठेवायची आहे म्युझिकची, तुमच्या कुठल्या लँग्वेज मध्ये तुम्हाला म्युझिक करायचे आहे. सो फर्स्ट इट्स अ लेआउट. सो इट्स अ बेस वेर यू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम. सो इन अरेंजिंग म्युझिक सो आफ्टर दॅट तुम्हाला कुठले इन्स्ट्रुमेंट्स त्याच्यामध्ये ऍड करायचं, तुमचे रिसोर्सेस काय आहेत त्याच्यामध्ये. सो आफ्टर दॅट लेअरिंग. सो त्याच्यानंतर एक लेआउट होते सॉंगचा. सो ऍज अ पॅसिफायर्स आम्ही पहिलं भेटत असतात, एक भेटून आम्ही नवीन आयडियाज, फॉर एक्झाम्पल एक सॉन्ग असेल तर सॉन्ग पुन्हा पुन्हा वाजवून देन somebody will say, अरे this song goes well with this song, so that mashup again. और हे अशा प्रकारचा पीस एक वेगळा जॉनरेला सूट होतो. सो वी कॅन ट्राय दिस. सो इट्स अ क्रिएटिव्ह प्रोसेस. आपण जेव्हा भेटतात तेव्हा नवीन आयडियाज आपण इम्पोर्ट करत असतात. सो तो एक प्रोसेस असते. त्याच्यानंतर आफ्टर लेआउट इट्स रेकॉर्डिंग सेशन. सो एकदा रेकॉर्डिंग तुमची झाली, देन मिक्सिंग, देन फायनलायझिंग द सॉन्ग अँड देन रिलीजिंग द सॉन्ग. सो इट्स अ step by step process. If anybody would like to add.
Yeah, anyone can add.
Okay, so just as Ruel said that everyone has different genre choices, everyone has different choices. So it might be a challenge, but at the same time, it's also a blessing because it helps us to be uh, more creative and more variety can be added, like Indo-Western, Arabian. We can two songs can be mashed together with a particular Indian piece. So this thing I like about our band, that everyone has different choices, everyone has different preferences, but when we bring together and when we unitedly work on composing a song or two three songs, it helps because of different types of this.
I would also like to mention a point
Yeah,
here,
Sunny.
ki, like if you wanna do it and if you wanna stay together as a group in arrangement, because this is the place ki saganna आपलं मत, we want our idea to be executed up. So if we see and also an example ki jo Christmas live session hota, we had everything in it, like okay, hella part, there were songs in which okay, he could be highlighted, and everyone got a part. But more than that, it is that the bonding between us ki jari काय झालं तरी पण, like if my idea is not executed, I'll still give my 100%. आणि मी असं रुसून नाही जाणार की मला नाही केलं, हे काय नाही केलं. So that's not between the group. आणि like it's always a very understanding so nature की like मग आयडियाज more freely येतात की कोणाला, मला माहिती आहे की कोणाला वाईट नाही वाटणार आणि हे ते. अँड देन वी कॅन ऑल्सो आस्क फॉर पार्ट्स की इकडे मी हे केलं तर चालेल का, इफ आय इम्प्रोवाइज हिअर ते चालेल का. सो इट इज अ व्हेरी फ्री एन्व्हायरमेंट विच वी नीड टू ब्रिंग इन इम्प्रोव्हायझेशन आणि सगळं. अँड देन ऑल्सो हॅव्हिंग फन इन दॅट. आणि कधी कधी फन मध्येच नवीन पार्ट्स येतात. सो दॅट इज ऑल्सो अ थिंग दॅट द एन्व्हायरमेंट ऑल्सो क्रिएट्स एन इम्पॅक्ट.
Yes.
One thing मी ऍड करणार ना की द ऍस्पेक्ट वी मिस्ड, आय थिंक बेनेडिक्ट आपल्याला सांगेल की ऑडिओचं प्रिन्सली बोलला आणि आयडियाचं ते दोघं बोलले, बट ते व्हिडिओ कशा प्रकारे क्रिएट होते. पण इट्स अ डिफिकल्ट टास्क की वी हॅव सीन बेनेडिक्ट ना की तो लॅपटॉप पुढे कंटिन्यू बसलेला असतो in front of the screen आणि the efforts he puts editing the video, takes shots कसं पण saying what will go good at what place. So बेनेडिक्ट आपल्याला सांगेल की इन शॉर्ट की कशा प्रकारे होतं ते.
So also shout out to Sean Dipuna. He always keeps supporting us and giving us equipments. So he's also an official photographer of our group. So shout out to him as well. And regarding videos, so असं असतं की प्रत्येक वेळेला काहीतरी डिफरंट करायचं, बिकॉज लास्ट टाइम जर इंडोर केलं असेल तर आता आउटडोर करायचं, आणि आउटडोर जर करायचं असेल तर प्रॉपर लोकेशन घ्यायचं, किंवा म्हणजे असं लोकेशन जिकडे पब्लिक पण नसेल, आणि ॲट द सेम टाइम इफ यू शूट इन द आफ्टरनून देन सन इज देअर, सो टाइम देखील कमी असतो की इव्हनिंग किंवा मॉर्निंगला शूट करायला. सो असे डिफरंट चॅलेंजेस असतात. त्याच्यानंतर जर इंडोर शूट करायचं असेल तर प्रॉपर बॅकड्रॉप पाहिजे, त्याच्यानंतर लाइटिंग अँड एव्हरीथिंग. अँड ऑल्सो जर लाईव्ह शूट करायचं असेल, फॉर एक्झाम्पल लाईव्ह जॅमिंग ऑर एव्हरीथिंग, सो कॅमेरा इक्विपमेंट्स लागतात भरपूर, बिकॉज like in a single take we play a song, so different angles, different cameras, so हे सगळं अरेंज करायला शॉम खूप मदत करत असतो. आणि इवन we have many friends who happily lend their cameras and we use them. And even lights देखील we have many well-wishers who give their lights, their equipments, आणि आम्ही ते यूज करत असतो, डिफरंट एक्सपेरिमेंट्स करत असतो. आणि इट्स अ ग्रुप एफर्ट, सगळेजण बघत असतात की कोणता अँगल चांगला आहे, कोणती पॅटर्न चांगली आहे, आणि इव्हन कोणता टेक चांगला दिसतो. सो इट्स अ ग्रुप एफर्ट, आणि कलेक्टिव्हली आम्ही तो व्हिडिओ बनवत असतो.
ओके, आय थिंक सो चांगला असा तुमच्यावर एक संवाद आपण झालेला आहे. And I think that was the last question for you all. So it was nice having a conversation with you people, and now you're about to reach 2K subscribers. I hope once again we'll have this type of conversation once you reach 2 million subscribers, and I wish to God that you will surely reach one day.
Sure.
And we can watch this video after, we can see when you were two and how you reached. And I wish best of luck for your journey. And one more thing I like to say is congratulations to one and all, coming together and forming a band. It's not an easy task, and nowadays I can see that there are many bands coming up in Vasai, and you are also one of them, and one of the best, I can say. I've heard your songs and they are seriously nice. And also I like to say the people who are watching the video, please do subscribe to Pacifiers, and once you feel anytime low in your life, you can listen to the songs, and it's a great what you can say, mind refreshing songs, you can say. There are various types of songs, and they are coming up with new songs. And for more updates, do follow their what you can say Instagram page. Thank you, Ruel, and thank you to the band. I hope you seriously you get 2 million subscribers as soon as possible, so we might have this conversation again. So thank you once thank you once again, everyone.
Thank you, bro. Thank you.
Time after busy shared schedule.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.